Join me as I explore an abandoned village and see if I can find the hidden treasures behind this rusty old fan. There's something undeniably fascinating about exploring abandoned villages. Maybe it's the air of mystery that surrounds them, or the thrill of uncovering secrets that have been hidden for decades. Whatever it is, I'm sure you'll agree that there's something captivating about venturing into the unknown. When we think of exploring abandoned places, we often imagine ourselves as urban explorers, discovering hidden gems and overcoming obstacles. But the reality is, exploring abandoned villages can be fraught with risks. You never know what kind of terrain you'll encounter, or what kind of condition the buildings are in. There's always the risk of injury, or even worse, getting stuck in a precarious situation. And then there's the unknown element. What kind of creatures might be lurking in the shadows, or what kind of hazards might be waiting to trip you up? As I ventured deeper into this abandoned village, I couldn't help but feel a sense of trepidation. The buildings seemed to loom over me, their crumbling facades a testament to the passage of time. Every creak of the wooden floorboards made me jump, every rustle of leaves set my heart racing. It's exhilarating, but also terrifying. But despite the risks, I pushed on, driven by a sense of curiosity and adventure. And it was worth it, because what I found was nothing short of breathtaking. The village was a treasure trove of artifacts and relics, each one telling a story of a bygone era. I saw old farm equipment, rusting away in the fields, and abandoned homes, their furniture still intact. As I wandered through the village, I stumbled upon a sight that took my breath away. The scenery was nothing short of stunning, rolling hills, towering trees, and a sense of peacefulness that was almost palpable. It was as if time had stood still, and I was transported back to an era long forgotten. I saw old cars, rusting away in the bushes, and even an old school bus, its seats still intact. But it was what I found next that really caught my attention. Amidst the rubble and decay, I stumbled upon a rusty old fan, its blades creaking in the wind. It was an unexpected find, to say the least, but one that piqued my curiosity. I wondered what its story was, who had left it behind, and why. As I examined the fan closer, I couldn't help but feel a sense of intrigue. There were theories abound about the fan's origins. Some said it was left behind by a group of travelers, while others claimed it was a relic from a long-forgotten era. Whatever its story, it was clear that the fan was a treasure, a reminder of the village's rich history. The rusty old fan was more than just a surprising find, it was a window into the past, a reminder of the people who had once called this village home. As I stood there, surrounded by the silence and the scenery, I felt a sense of awe at the secrets that lay hidden beneath the surface. As I wrap up this exploration, I'm left with a sense of wonder and awe at the secrets that lie hidden in abandoned villages. The rusty old fan was more than just a surprise, it was a reminder of the beauty and mystery that surrounds us. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any thoughts on this exploration, be sure to leave them in the comments below. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more urban exploration videos.